Hi friends, welcome back. Naji here. Let's continue our discussion on Vertex AI. So in this video, we specifically focusing on images, videos, and MP3 files or audio files, and we'll see how the model can understand about these images, videos, and the MP3 files. Okay. So so this is our basic code that I have copied from my previous tutorial. So if you are following along with me, you must have understood what this means, right? So this is the basic configuration that we have done in the first video tutorial, and we have been following the same method from the day one. Okay. So I'm not going to explain more about this, but this is just a basic configurations, and we are connecting with our Vertex AI. Okay. Now after that, what we need to have like some more important packages or important methods we need for to process the images and videos. For that, I can import the part. Okay. Now to process the images, we need to have the image file, right? So for that, I can use the part dot. I can select from URI. Now here specifically I need to pass the URI and I need to pass the MIME type. Okay, so here we know the MIME type is it's like image slash PNG is my MIME type, and here I need to pass the URI, the image URI. Okay, so from where I will get the images. So interestingly, the Vertex AI team has provided some open source or some open bucket, okay, through which we will able to get some data for the training purpose. So this is the S3 bucket, the common S3 bucket. So here they have provided a lot of details. Okay, so they are providing some ADK samples and batch samples. All those things they have provided in this bucket. So I will share this URL along with my video. I can add this into the comment box, but for the time being, let's have a look on this. So here, if you come to the generative AI, let's look on these images. Okay, so if we click on the images, we will able to see like a lot of images. Okay, they have provided for the processing. So let me open like one of the images. Okay, here we can see like a one image, and let's click on the another image. Okay, so let me view it. Maybe I can click on the cricket. Okay, so this is the cricket. Okay, maybe here we can see the dog image can be seen, and flowers can be seen, and we are going to use the fruits image. To get the URL, just click on this, and let's go back here and select on copy GSUtil URL. Okay, so we have got our URI. Just come and connect to paste it here. Okay, we have the details. Now what we need a model for this one, right? So I can select a model, generative AI model. The model that I am going to select is Gemini. I think spelling is correct. Gemini 2.0. I think flash 001 is the model that I am going to select. It means, yeah, I think the spelling is correct. Now what we can do, we can just call model dot generate content. Let's pass the image file here. Okay, now we can send what we need to get. Okay, so here I can send list all the fruits inside the image. Let me execute it. So here I am getting an issue because this has to be in a list. So let me put it under the list. Let me execute it. So the execution is in progress. Once that is done, I can put let's have a res. So here we can see here are the fruits identified, strawberries, donuts, peach, and the lemon. So I can put, to get only the answer, I can say res.text. So here we will get exact answer that we are expected to get. Okay, so once that is done, I think it's clear, and we can try out like another method. So what if like if I have a multiple images, Okay, so if the multiple images is also there, which is also very simple to execute. So what I can do, we can here we have the image file, right? So let me copy this image file, paste it here. This is one image file 1, image file 1, and this is image file 2. I can select, go back to our here, and maybe I can select this image, dog 2 image. So let me copy this. Let's see what is in the dog 2. Okay, it's an image of a dog. Come back here and let's paste it here. Execute. We already have the model. I can take res1. Okay, I can say model dot generate content, pass image file 1. I can pass image file 2. Right now I can say describe both images. Let's execute. So the execution is in progress. It's completed nearly in 2 seconds. I can say res1.text. Here are the description of the image. Image 1 containing this is a vibrant top-down shot, 4 pieces of fruit arranged and wooden surface. Fruits are too bright, so that is correct. Okay, so they are talking about the lemon. I'm looking for the 2. So if you look on the 2, here we can see this is a close-up portrait of the small dog, like Shih Tzu or the smaller breed. Okay, they are identifying the breed and they are talking about the goal is like they are exactly identifying what is what is in these images. Okay, so similar to that we can use the video and the audio file, which is also very simple. What I need to do, I can just use the same pattern instead of the image file. I can use a video file. I'm just doing a copy and paste because there is nothing that we need to change much other than like something like here it is video and mp4. Instead of pmg, what I need to do, I need to get a video file. To get a video file, which is also very simple, let's go back to our the bucket, that is a freely available bucket. Here we have the video. Okay, now I can take a animal video, maybe dog day, a describe video content. Maybe I can copy this. Let's copy and come back to our Visual Studio Code. Let's come back to Visual Studio Code. Let's do this. Now I can make res3 model dot generate content. Here we will pass the video file. Now I can say describe the audio, describe the video, res3. I'm just going little fast because the code is same, right? res3 dot text. So it's executing. Okay, so here we are getting the summary of the video. Okay, it says this the video shows a man rock climbing indoors. He is wearing the glimping shoes and all those details that we are getting. So we are good. In a similar way, we can do the video also. Okay, for that just copy and paste. I can say, I mean, the similar way we can do the audio also. I can say like audio file. Okay, so instead of this audio video mp3, we just need to change audio mp3 and go back, get one audio file. It's very simple. Let me see any audio file is there. should be some audio file there somewhere. Yeah, here it is, audio file. I can take this audio file. Let's take any audio file. Okay, maybe take like a one that is very small. I don't want to burn my tokens much. So this is my audio file, and let's paste it here. Audio, describe the audio. Audio. Let's execute this. It is not possible to provide the description of the audio because there is no audio in this clip. Okay, so there is no audio in this clip. Maybe we can select, maybe it's too small. Maybe we can select another one. Let's select this 5 MB one. Copy. Paste it here. Let's execute. So the execution is progress. We'll see what's the result. It is not possible audio without any sound. It is not possible to describe. Instead, I think this describe, I think you can say summarize the audio. Oh, sorry, this is the audio file that I need to pass. Let's say it's a classic problem happens when we do the copy and paste. Let's see. I think I'm correct, right? Pixel.mp3 is audio mp3, model.generate audio file, then summarize the audio. Okay, so here we got the summarization, what is happening with respect to this audio file. So this is what we have planned for in this video. So I believe it's very clear, and I'm sure that this is very simple. So if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment box, and please try it out. So that is in this way, like you will get a clear understanding, and if you block in somewhere, please ask in the comment box. So that's it. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.